In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out Form 2210 in TurboTax. If you need to address an underpayment issue in your tax return, TurboTax makes it fairly straightforward once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find the right section and move through the Form 2210 related prompts clearly and efficiently. Start by going to the top of your TurboTax screen and clicking the search icon. This is the quickest way to jump directly to the section you need instead of clicking through multiple menus. Once the search box opens, type in underpayment of taxes. As you type, TurboTax should begin showing matching results. From those results, click on underpayment of taxes. This will take you into the area that connects to Form 2210, which is the IRS form used for underpayment of estimated tax by individuals, estates, and trusts. If you're here, it usually means you need to review whether a penalty applies or whether you may qualify for an exception. On the next screen, you'll see an option related to no underpayment penalties. Select that option to continue. After that, TurboTax will ask you a yes or no question, and here you'll click yes. Be sure to read each screen carefully because these questions determine how TurboTax handles the penalty calculation and whether additional exceptions might apply to your situation. Next, you'll come to a screen mentioning farmers and fishers. On that screen, select the farmers and fishers option and then click yes when prompted. This part is important if that category applies to you because TurboTax uses your answer to determine whether special rules for Form 2210 should be considered. If you're following these exact instructions from your own return workflow, just continue with the same selections shown here. After that, click Continue. At this point, TurboTax will guide you into the remaining Form 2210 questions. From here, simply answer the questions as they appear on your screen in order to move forward. These follow-up questions may vary depending on the information already entered in your return, so take your time and review each one before submitting your response. A helpful tip here is to move slowly and make sure your estimated payments, withholding, and any prior tax information have already been entered correctly elsewhere in your return. That helps TurboTax calculate things properly and can reduce confusion as you finish this section. And that's how to access and work through the Form 2210 section in TurboTax. Once you complete the remaining prompts, you'll be one step closer to finalizing your return accurately.